make my Pandy disappear. Okay. Like this video in 3, 2, 1.
Wait, what is she laughing about? Thank you guys. Thank you and cheers.
Where did he go? Where did he go? Whatever.